Most gardeners think that spring is the only time of year when you can really get your hands dirty and sow seeds for a successful harvest. It's easy to see why. Spring is when everything feels fresh and full of promise, and garden centers are bursting with new plants and seeds. But what if I told you that there's a secret power month for gardeners that often goes overlooked? That month is July. While many people assume the gardening season is winding down by midsummer, July actually kicks off one of the most productive and rewarding growing periods of the entire year. The soil is warm, the days are long, and plants grow at an astonishing rate. In fact, some of the fastest growing and most delicious vegetables thrive when planted right now, taking advantage of the summer heat and setting you up for a bountiful late summer and fall harvest. Maybe your garden is looking a little tired after the first flush of spring crops, or perhaps you missed the spring planting window altogether. Don't worry, July is the perfect time to refresh your garden beds. By replanting now, you can fill empty spaces with new life and make the most of every inch of your garden. Fast-growing vegetables like beans, radishes, and leafy greens can go from seed to harvest in just a few weeks, giving you a second chance at a thriving garden. So, grab your gloves and get ready to transform your garden. In this video, we'll dive into 15 vegetables you should plant right now in July to ensure a continuous supply of fresh produce and a truly bountiful fall harvest. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you make the most of this secret power month and keep your garden productive all season long. For gardeners living in the northern states, July marks a special opportunity, a second chance to enjoy one of the garden's sweetest and most satisfying crops, peas. While many associate peas with spring planting, savvy gardeners know that midsummer is actually the perfect time to sow a fresh round of seeds for a bountiful fall harvest. As the days begin to shorten and the intense summer heat starts to wane, conditions become ideal for peas to thrive. By planning ahead and planting in July, you can enjoy a late-season crop that's often even sweeter and more tender than spring peas. The key to success is choosing fast-maturing varieties that can beat the first frost. Look for names like Little Marvel or Sugar Ann. These are tried-and-true favorites among northern gardeners. Their short days to maturity, usually around 55 to 65 days, mean you'll have plenty of time to harvest before cold weather sets in. When selecting seeds, check the packet for maturity dates and opt for those that promise a quick turnaround. This way, you'll maximize your chances of enjoying a generous crop before the chill of autumn arrives. As the summer heat fades and cooler nights return, pea plants really come into their own. Unlike many vegetables that struggle as temperatures drop, peas actually prefer the cool, crisp air of late summer and early fall. Their vines grow lush and green, and soon you'll notice delicate white blossoms giving way to plump, sweet pods. The cooler weather not only helps the plants thrive, but it also enhances the flavor and texture of the peas, making them especially crisp and sugary. To get started, sow your pea seeds about 1 inch deep and space them roughly 2 inches apart in well-prepared garden soil. Peas love a little support, so be sure to provide a trellis, netting, or even some simple sticks for the vines to climb. This not only keeps the plants healthy and upright, but also makes harvesting much easier. Water regularly to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during germination and early growth, as peas need steady moisture to develop strong roots and healthy pods. Mulching around the base of your pea plants is another smart move. A layer of straw, shredded leaves, or compost helps retain soil moisture, keeps the roots cool during any lingering hot spells, and suppresses weeds that might compete for nutrients. Mulch also protects the delicate roots from temperature swings, ensuring your plants stay healthy and productive right up until harvest time. In just a couple of months, you'll be rewarded for your efforts. There's nothing quite like the experience of picking crisp, tender pea pods straight from the vine on a cool autumn morning. Whether you enjoy them fresh as a snack, toss them into salads, or add them to your favorite fall recipes, homegrown peas are a true seasonal treat. With a little planning and care, you can savor the sweet taste of fall peas, one of the northern garden's most delightful rewards. Green onions are a July superstar. Easy to grow in beds, containers, or tucked between other crops. Sow seeds a 1/4 inch deep, an inch apart, and water consistently for tender stalks. Snip tops for a continuous harvest. They'll regrow for multiple cuttings. Plant a new row every couple of weeks for a steady supply of fresh flavor. If you're dreaming of crisp, sweet cabbage for hearty autumn meals, July is the perfect time to get started. Planting cabbage seedlings in midsummer gives them the long, warm days they need to develop strong roots and begin forming those dense, flavorful heads. As the days gradually shorten and temperatures cool, your cabbage will respond by growing tighter, sweeter, and more robust, just in time for fall harvest. Starting in July also means your plants will mature before the first hard frost, ensuring the best flavor and texture. Another advantage of summer planting is that cabbage faces fewer pests than in spring. Many common cabbage pests, like cabbage worms and flea beetles, are less active in late summer, so your plants are less likely to suffer from chewed leaves or stunted growth. This means healthier, more attractive heads with less need for intervention. For the best results, choose quick-maturing varieties such as Early Jersey Wakefield or other early types. These varieties are bred to mature in as little as 60 to 75 days, making them ideal for a late summer planting and ensuring you'll have a bountiful harvest before cold weather sets in. When planting, space your seedlings 12 to 18 inches apart in rows. This gives each plant plenty of room to grow large, healthy heads and allows for good air circulation, which helps prevent disease. Before planting, enrich your soil by mixing in compost or a balanced fertilizer. Cabbage is a heavy feeder, so providing plenty of nutrients at the start will help your plants thrive. After planting, water your seedlings deeply to encourage strong root development and help them settle in. Apply a thick layer of mulch, such as straw or shredded leaves, around your cabbage plants. Mulch helps keep the soil moist and cool during hot summer days, suppresses weeds, and protects the developing heads from soil-borne diseases. As fall approaches, check your cabbage regularly. Harvest when the heads feel firm and solid to the touch. Don't wait too long, or they may split from excess moisture or rapid growth. With the right care, you'll enjoy crisp, flavorful cabbage perfect for slaws, soups, and hearty autumn dishes. July broccoli delivers sweet, compact heads with fewer pests than spring crops. Start seeds indoors or use transplants, spacing them 18 inches apart in rich soil. Water regularly and mulch to keep roots cool. Harvest the central head before it opens, then pick side shoots for weeks. Fall broccoli holds longer after harvest. Enjoy the extended bounty. Late July is perfect for northern gardeners to plant spinach for a fall crop. Sow bolt-resistant varieties 1/2 inch deep, 2 inches apart, and keep soil moist. Shade seed beds if it's still hot. Spinach loves cool soil. Harvest baby greens in 25 days, or let them mature for larger leaves. With heat-tolerant varieties and a bit of shade, you can enjoy lettuce well into fall. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep, keep soil moist, and mulch to prevent drying. Make small sowings every 7-10 days for a continuous harvest. Snip outer leaves as needed. Fresh salads are always within reach. Radishes are the fastest garden win. Some mature in just 25 to 30 days. Direct sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, 1 inch apart, and thin seedlings for best roots. Water regularly and sow a new row every week or two for a steady supply. Don't forget, radish greens are edible too. Toss them into salads or sauté. Turnips offer both tender roots and tasty greens. Sow seeds now for a double harvest. Thin seedlings to 4 and 6 inches apart and keep soil moist with added compost. Harvest greens young and let roots mature to golf ball size. Succession planting every couple of weeks keeps the harvest coming. Kale thrives as temperatures cool, becoming sweeter and more tender. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings 12 to 18 inches apart in fertile soil. Begin harvesting lower leaves once plants reach 6 inches tall. Pick a few leaves from each plant for months of nutritious greens. Swiss chard loves July heat and keeps producing into fall. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, 2 to 3 inches apart, or use transplants. Harvest outer leaves for months. Try rainbow varieties for extra color. Chard grows well in containers or mixed into flower beds. Beets are beginner-friendly. July planting yields roots and greens in about 2 months. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, 1 inch apart, and thin to 3-4 inches. Harvest greens young. Roots are ready at golf ball size. Beets store well, so enjoy them long after summer ends. July planted carrots germinate quickly in warm soil and sweeten as fall cools. Sow seeds thinly in loose soil, keep moist and mulch to retain water. Thin seedlings to 2 inches apart and harvest when roots reach your preferred size. Leave some in the ground after a light frost for extra sweetness. Summer squash like zucchini grows fast, harvest in as little as 6 weeks. Direct sow seeds an inch deep, 3 feet apart, in rich composted soil. Water deeply and mulch to retain moisture. Pick fruits young for best flavor and encourage more blooms. July cucumbers avoid many spring diseases and thrive in summer sun. Sow seeds an inch deep, a foot apart and keep soil moist but not soggy. Harvest when fruits are firm and green. Frequent picking boosts production. Enjoy them fresh, pickled or sliced into salads. Bush beans are a speedy, easy summer crop. Harvest in just 50-60 days. Sow seeds an inch deep, 3 inches apart, and water deeply. For a non-stop supply, plant a new row every 2 weeks. Pick pods before seeds bulge for the most tender beans. Eat fresh, steam, or freeze for later. Bush beans are a garden staple. July isn't the end of gardening. It's your chance for a fresh, productive season. Plant early or late in the day, water deeply and mulch to conserve moisture. Feed your plants and watch for pests. Act quickly if you spot trouble. Harvest regularly to keep your garden producing. What will you plant this July? Share below, and happy gardening!